In this video, we explain how the machine transcription can be used. Luckily, most of the steps remain the same as for normal transcription. Log into Cybersteno. Ensure you have enough time value left in your speech-to-text wallet by looking within the subscription page. Buy more if needed. On the dashboard, click on the transcription button. The list of the dictated audio files will be seen. Select the one you wish to get the machine to type up. First, link the audio file with the correct client, subject, and correct case, topic. Click Submit. Once this is done, you can proceed with the actual typing. Enter the actual file title you want seen on the final record. Now click the Machine Transcribe button. It will do the conversion automatically. In a few minutes, you will get the transcribed copy. Edit it as needed, and then click Submit. It will be sent to the Approved Typed Letters module.